So what I've got in this massive box, my table is 4 feet wide, and this thing has literally taken 70% of the table. So this is the new MSI laptop, MSI Raider, with the RTX 4090 4K 120Hz display. It's an 18-inch laptop with 14th gen Intel processor. So this one is a special edition 20th anniversary MSI laptop. They're just giving, it's nothing different in the laptop, they're just giving extra freebies with the laptops. So let's open it. I have already taken the tape off, but I haven't opened the box yet because it would have been difficult for me the way the size of this box is to take everything out. Okay, what we have here. So the first thing looks like a backpack. So this is an 18-inch laptop, so definitely let me put this on side and I'll open it once I empty this box. What else? Okay, that's cool. Comes with the 20th anniversary edition headset. It's going to be a wide headset. I doubt if it's going to be yeah, USB-C headset. So H901, not a wireless one. It's just this big box in which I think there is a laptop. Now for me to maneuver it, kind of very difficult because the camera is right in front of me and I don't want to really knock off the camera. So this is the laptop. Just open the here. Okay, there's another box looks like inside. Yeah, no, there's no other box. That's what it is. So this is the laptop. Oh, this thing is heavy. This thing is heavy, I'm telling you that. So let's see what else inside. So this is the paperwork. I'm kind of getting out of breath the way this thing is so heavy. Oh, okay, so we get the mouse as well. So this is M18 mouse. Again, it looks like it is looks like a PC with USB-C port. Yeah, it looks like a wide mouse, but nevertheless I can see some RGB. So yeah, so that's a nice one. So another freebie. And what's this? Oh, it looks like a keyring. Oh, that's nice. That's actually quite nice. It's not bad. Here. Okay. Oh, that's not bad actually. I was expecting a massive power brick, but this one is not bad at all. Yeah, this one is not bad. It's heavy, but it's not that big. Let me just give you an idea. So this is my iPhone, and you can see this is a Pro Max iPhone, by the way, so you can see the size difference. So slightly bigger than an iPhone, obviously much more thicker than an iPhone, but I think two iPhones stacked on top of each other, and a little bit wider and a little bit more taller. And this is the other cable. Okay, before I open the laptop, I really want to see the bag. How does the bag look like? Let me just put this thing on the side. Here. So let's take the bag out. Okay. It's got RGB at the front as well. Oh. Saves me 50-60 pounds. I think going out and buying a separate bag, because obviously the bags I have at the moment, they will not fit this laptop. Definitely the laptop is quite big. So quick one, when it comes to the bag, there is a back pocket. It's, I would not say it's really, it feels really high quality, but it's not bad either. So the bags you buy, like Swiss gear bags or like mid-range bags, I will say, it's not very high quality. I hope it is waterproof. I'm not sure about that, but what you get a pocket at the front here. So that's actually quite a big pocket, and then you got main compartment here, and then for your laptop you get this compartment with a strap-on velcro, so the laptop stays secure, doesn't move. Then there is a couple of mesh pockets here, another pocket, the back. What's at the back? Okay, this is a mesh at the back, so quite good for the air circulation. That's quite good. So they have this thing as well to keep both the straps or shoulder straps together. And yeah, I think if they would have left it simple without these stickers, because these stickers, like they kind of feels like this is just screen printed. It's not very, especially this golden one, it's not very high quality, but nevertheless it comes free, and I think it's more than good enough to keep the laptop secure and safe, and for traveling it's not bad. So definitely a welcome thing. I'm kind of getting out of breath but just moving this laptop around and telling you that. Okay, let's put these cables and chargers, everything on side. Let's see the laptop. What we get, hope you'll be able to see. 2 USB-C ports. One supports 140 watt wired charging, a USB-C charging. So one USB-A headphone and the mic combo jack. Your Ethernet, you get your charging. This is for charging, I think. And this is HDMI 2.1. Again, these red plastic things, these are plastic things. It's not RGB thing, anything like that. And on this side, SD card, 2 USB-As and Kensington lock. So that's what it is. Let's open the lid. See the keyboard surface area. First thing, so you get a fingerprint scanner here, 2 speaker grills, and it is 4K 120 Hz screen. It's Raider 18HX-A14V. It has 4 RAM slots. Stack this thing up with 192 GB of RAM, I believe. Thunderbolt 4, new updated cooling system, and discrete RTX 4090 graphics. To me, it feels like a plastic. The laptop lid, this feels like a metal. This is glass. I hope it's not going to get scratched, or it's already a small minor scratch there. Yeah, why is that? Why this thing is middle? I don't know if you can pick it up on a camera, but I don't know, it shouldn't be like that. But yeah, and back is plastic. Ooh. So this is metal. These are 2 another speaker grills. These are grills for fan intake. The feet are rubber feet. Yeah, so this middle bit is metal. These grills are obviously metal. This bit is plastic. Then the rubber. If you hear me breathing very loud, it's not my fault, trust me. This laptop is massive. So this one is Apple MacBook with M1 Max chip in it. This is a 16-inch model, and you can see the size difference. So there you go. So you can imagine how big this thing is. If I can show you and you know, this 16-inch compared to 14-inch is massive, but this thing compared to this 18-inch, it feels very compact at the moment. I think I can stack another MacBook Pro 16-inch on the top of this one, and this MSI laptop will still be slightly thicker or taller, you want to say. It's not only the machine, obviously there is quite a bit of space for the air intakes, so the feet are slightly, I would say, higher or slightly bigger than the MacBook Pro's feet, because MacBook Pro feet are just literally, I think, 1 or 2 millimeter, maybe 1 millimeter or something. But here I think these ones are, I would say, at least 5 millimeter or something like that. You can see the height of these ones. Once you open up the screens, the space you get on this 18-inch is kind of really amazing. So I'm gonna zoom out a little bit more. So you can see how much of an extra screen you get compared to the 16-inch laptop. As for my first impressions on its design and aesthetics, I personally would have preferred a more minimalistic look. Perhaps a simple RGB or a plain black grille instead of the red plastic accent on the grills. In terms of size, yes, it is quite big and heavy. But if we think back to the gaming laptops from 7-8 years ago, many 17.3-inch models were similar in size and weight. So while it's heavier than most 16-inch laptops today, it's still portable enough to carry around, especially compared to a full desktop setup. The real advantage, in my opinion, of this 18-inch laptop lies in its expensive screen and most likely superior cooling capabilities. However, the trade-offs are quite clear. It's bulkier, heavier, and less portable. Over the next few days, I'll set it up, do some real work on it, and provide you with a full review. I'll discuss whether the larger size offer enough benefits over a 16-inch model to outweigh the downsides of reduced portability. I'm also excited to share my thoughts on the display, since it features a 120 Hz 4K LED panel, which is the first of its kind in an 18-inch laptop. In upcoming video, I'll cover the screen quality, keyboard feel, sound quality, and of course the gaming performance. If there's anything particular you'd like me to test or any questions you have, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to include them in the full review. As always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.